LG Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to begin a new topic, that is multiple integrals. So let's begin with the first topic, that is double integrals over rectangles and general regions. So the double integral of f of x comma y over closed bounded region R is defined by double integration over a region R f of xy dA or double integration over region R f of xy dx dy or double integration over region R f of xy dy dx. Okay, now let's begin with the example. Evaluate double integration 1 to 2, 0 to 1, 1 plus 3xy dx dy. Now let's begin with the solution. Integration 1 to 2, 0 to 1, 1 plus 3xy dx dy. Okay, so firstly we will integrate this with respect to x, keeping y constant. Okay, so here this integration 1 to 2 will remain as it is, this dy will remain as it is, and now we will integrate this with respect to x. Okay, so integration of 1 is what? X plus 3 and y will remain as it is here. Okay, and integration of this x will be x square by 2 and the limits are 0 to 1. Okay, now we will substitute the limit. So firstly we will substitute this upper limit, that is 1. So in place of x we have to substitute 1. So you will get 1 plus 3 by 2. Here we have 1 and into y minus now lower limit. So in place of x we have to substitute 0. So this term will go to 0 and this term will go to 0. So here we have 0, right? Now we will integrate this with respect to y. Okay, so integration of 1 is y plus 3 by 2 as it is, and integration of y is what? Y square by 2 and the limits are 1 to 2. Okay, now we will apply first the upper limit. So you will get here 5 minus, now we will apply the lower limit. Okay, so you will get here 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay, and on simplification you will get answer as 30 by 4. Okay, so this is the answer of this double integrals. Now we'll see one more example. Evaluate integral 0 to 1, 0 to x e raised to y by x dy dx. So let's begin with the solution. Now here firstly we will integrate with respect to y and then with respect to x. Okay, so we will keep this integration 0 to 1 and dx as it is, and we will integrate this e raised to y by x with respect to y, keeping x constant. Okay, so for that we will apply this formula, that is integration of ax dx is what? In e raised to ax upon a, right? So here the constant is 1 upon x, so you will get answer as e raised to y upon x upon 1 upon x, and the limits are 0 to x. Okay, now we will take this x here, so you will get integration 0 to 1 x e raised to y by x, and the limits are 0 to x. Okay, now we will apply the limit. So in place of y we will substitute x. Okay, so with this x as it is, now here e raised to x upon x, so it will become only e, so here we have e minus, now substitute the lower limit. So in place of y now we will substitute 0. So e raised to 0 is 1. Okay, so only x. Now we will integrate this with respect to x. Okay, so you will get here integration of x as x square by 2, e will keep as it is, minus again integration of x is x square by 2 and the limits are 0 to 1. Okay, now we will apply the limit. So first we will substitute 1 in place of x. So here you will get e minus 1 upon 2. And minus, if you will substitute 0 over here, so you will get 0. So the final answer of this double integration is e minus 1 upon 2. Okay, now we'll begin with the another example. So evaluate double integration over r x square dA, where r is a region in the first quadrant bounded by hyperbola xy is equal to 16 and the lines y is equal to x, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 8. Okay, so here a region is given in the first quadrant and we have to evaluate this integral. So firstly we will draw the graph. So firstly we will draw this xy is equal to 16. So it is a hyperbola, so we will draw this hyperbola like this, that is xy is equal to 60. Okay, next we will draw this line y is equal to x. Okay, so this is your line y is equal to x, right? Next, y is equal to 0, that is x-axis. Okay, so this is your line y is equal to 0. And next, x is equal to 8. So this is your line x is equal to 8. Okay, so firstly we will draw all this. Now, the region is what this is the region bounded by all these lines and this hyperbola. Okay, now we have divided this region in two parts, that is in the part OMR and the another is MRQP. Okay, so we have two regions. This is our first region R1 and this is the second region R2. So we will evaluate this integral over R1 separately and R2 separately, and at last we will add them. Okay, but before that we have to find this point R. Okay, so how you get this 4, 4? So this R point is the intersection of this hyperbola and this line y is equal to x. Okay, so here we have y is equal to x and this hyperbola xy is equal to 60, right? So in place of y here we will substitute x. So you will get here x square is equal to 16. So you will get the answer of x as plus or minus 4. But we are in the first quadrant, so we will consider only x is equal to plus 4. So we have this x is equal to plus 4. So y will also be plus 4, right? So the point is what? 4, 4. This is the point R, that is 4, 4. Now another point of intersection is this point Q. Okay, this is 8, 2. So how you get this 8, 2 point? So it is the intersection of this line x is equal to 8 and this hyperbola xy is equal to 60. So we have x is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 60, right? So in place of x, just write down 8. So here you have 8y is equal to 16, therefore y is equal to 2, right? And we have, so y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 8. So the point is 1, 8, 2. So this is the another intersection point 8, 2. Now we will evaluate this integration over a region R1. So for region R1 we have this graph and this is the region R1. Now to cover this region R1, here we have a strip, that is AB strip. This is a vertical strip. Okay. Now you can see this vertical strip starts from y is equal to 0. Okay, so we will write that this vertical strip, it starts from where? Y is equal to 0 and ends at what? This line y is equal to x. Okay, so whenever we have this vertical strip, firstly we will write this limit of y, right? We will write this limit of y from this statement only. So you will get the limit of y as y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. Okay, and next we will write the limit of x. Now we will move this vertical strip from this 0 to this m, right? So it starts from 0, 0 and it ends at this point. Okay, so here the x coordinate is 4. So the limit of x is what? X is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4, right? Now we will write the integration. So first integration, so I1 is equal to double integration over a region R1 x square dA. So this is equal to, now whenever we have this variable, so we will write it inside. So here we will write integration 0 to x and this integration 0 to 4 x square. Now we are taking vertical strips, so here we will write this dy dx. Okay, so firstly we will take integration with respect to y, keeping x as a constant. So what you will get? Integration 0 to 4 as it is, x square as it is. Now integration of 1 dy, that is y, and the limits are 0 to x and this dx as it is. Now apply the limit. So you will get here x cube minus 0 dx. Okay. Now again we will integrate with respect to x. So you will get x raised to 4 upon 4 and the limits are 0 to 4. Right. Now substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. So you will get answer 64 on simplification. Right. So this is the integration over a region R1. Now we will solve the integration for region R2. So this is our region R2. Now we have this vertical strip CD. Okay, so you can see that this vertical strip, okay, it starts from where? It starts from y is equal to 0 and it ends at where? It ends at this. This is what? This is hyperbola xy is equal to 16. Okay. Now here we are taking vertical strips, so we will write limit of y. So limit of y is what? Y is equal to 0 to make y subject here. So you will get y is equal to 16 upon x. Okay, and next we will write limit of x. Okay, now you can see x moves from here to this point. Okay, now here the x coordinate is 4 and here the x coordinate is 8, right? So here limit of x is equal to 4 to x is equal to 8. Okay, now we will write this integration. So I2 is equal to integration over R2 x square dA, right? So just substitute this limit. Here we have the variable, so we will write it inside, that is 0 to 16 by x, and this 4 to 8 x square. Now we will write here dy dx. Okay, so firstly we will integrate with respect to y, keeping x constant. So we have this integration 4 to 8 as it is, this dx as it is, x square as it is, integration 1 dy, that is y, and the limit is 0 to 16 upon x. Substitute the limit, so you will get integration 4 to 8 16x dx, right? Now again we have to integrate with respect to x, so you will get answer as 8x square. So this 16 as it is, integration of x is x square by 2. Okay, so here we have 8x square. The limits are 4 to 8, right? Substitute the limit and simplify, so you will get answer as 384. Okay, so this is the answer of I2, that is integration over a region R2. Okay, now final answer, that is I. So I1 plus I2 integration over a region R1 plus over a region R2. So 64 plus 384. So the final answer of the I is what? 448. Okay. So I hope you have understood throughout the session. Thank you for watching.